Good morning from the Denver International Airport. My name is Connor, and welcome back to another Nix Aviation trip report. Today, I will be flying with United Airlines on board their domestic configured Boeing 777-200 to Houston in economy class. I've wanted to fly on one of these high-density 777s for quite some time now, as United is the only airline in the United States with a fleet of them, with currently 17 in operation. In addition, United's fleet of domestic 777s are the oldest 777s still flying, being some of the first planes off the assembly line. As of 2020, United began upgrading the cabins on these planes, adding IFE screens and power outlets to the economy cabin, and replacing the old domestic first class with Polaris Business. Other than that, it's just cool to fly a wide-body on a domestic flight. So, let's get to the gate. My flight this morning is United Flight 2676 with nonstop service to Houston, which is scheduled to depart gate B38 at 9:40 a.m. And here we are at gate B38. Boarding is scheduled for 8:50 a.m. My plane to Denver is November 771 Uniform Alpha, a nearly 30-year-old Boeing 777-222. This aircraft was delivered to United in 1994, making it the third 777 off the assembly line.
I don't know. So, have a good day laying there.
United's domestic 777-200s have 364 seats, 28 in Polaris Business, 102 in Economy Plus, and 234 in Economy. I am in seat 43L for this 1 hour and 45 minute flight to Houston. These economy seats are 17 inches wide and offer 31 inches of pitch. The seatback pocket is a good size and in very good shape. The tray table is standard size and does extend. Unfortunately, today's aircraft has not received the IFE upgrade. Instead, there is a holder for your personal device, though power outlets are available beneath the seats. The lighting controls and flight attendant call button are located in the armrest.
And we would like for you to enjoy your experience. If you're coming on the aircraft, if you see an overhead bin that's clipped.
Please enjoy the views as we depart off of Denver's runway 25.
Captain, first officer, and my 7 fellow flight attendants, it is a pleasure to welcome you.
seatback pocket contains a safety card, onboard menu, and a credit card pitch. United offers a sizable buy-on-board menu, including, but not limited to, snack boxes and hot meals. For the complimentary service, United offers a choice of pretzels, quinoa cookies, or Stroop waffles, as well as water, coffee, and Coke products. I pre-purchased the recline snack box, which set me back $10. I also took advantage of the full onboard service on this flight and grabbed a Stroop waffle and some water. The recline snack box includes a chocolate and almond mix, a beef and pork stick, gummy bears, Oreo cookies, and kettle cooked chips. Childish of me to pick this box over the others? Maybe. Was it tasty? Yes. Wi-Fi is available on most United flights, and the airline is slowly transitioning to free Starlink Wi-Fi on all flights. The current offering costs Mileage Plus members $8 for full access, while offering basic in-flight entertainment for free. There are numerous movies, TV series, and games available. Please enjoy our cloudy descent into Houston, landing on runway 26 right.
approximately 12:55 p.m. Once again, please notate this time change 12:55 p.m. Please be comfortably seated until the seatbelt signs turn off. You may continue to use and charge your cell phones and tablets. If you're seated in the exit row, please don't plug your devices into the outlet.
I have zero complaints about this flight. While I can see how people would favor the 737s or Airbuses over this plane, mainly due to the lack of entertainment and the tight 3-4-3 seating configuration, there is something very nice about having a snack and watching a movie on board this old 777. The crew were awesome and provided a pleasant experience, confirming with me by name that I had ordered a snack box. As an av geek, it's all about the sights and sounds, and this plane had it all. These domestic 777s, while old and tight, are a lot of fun to ride on, and I would do it again if the opportunity arises. Thank you for watching this Nix Aviation Trip Report with United Airlines. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.